Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up the Instagram app. Next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to my Reels. After we went to our Reel, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna just go ahead and click the share kind of icon right here, and you're gonna see multiple options. Just go ahead and click share to right here, and it's gonna open up a new window for you, and you can just swipe right until you find the WhatsApp. Go ahead right here and select the contact that you want to share the WhatsApp to. Okay, let's say for example myself. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead right here and share it to myself. Hit next, and now you just sent the Instagram reel from your reels on Instagram into your WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.